Hey friends, it's Kelly, and welcome to this week's Aldi Finds for the week of February 18th. We have St. Patrick's Day vibes, deep clean reset, and cozy bedroom refresh. Now let's get started. First up, we have the apparel, shoes, and accessories section. We have the Lily and Dan toddler or children St. Patrick's Day pullover. You can get the Lucky or Shamrock pullover for $5.99. We have the ladies Sarah St. Patrick's Day soft leggings. We have three different designs to choose from. $4.99. We have the Sarah ladies genuine suede slides. You can get them in black or brown. $14.99. And I want a pair really bad. We have the Sarah St. Patrick's Day accessories. You have the three-pack bracelets, three-pack earrings, bopper headband, light-up headband, buttons, or a light-up necklace. $4.99 each. We have the Sarah St. Patrick's Day pullover. You can get it in black, green, or white for $12.99. And the last item that we have here in this section is the Sarah Ultra Luxe Lounge Set. Comes in beige, black, or green, $14.99. Now we're heading into the home and decor section. First up, we have the Kirkton House two-piece bath rug set. You can get it in beige, gray, light blue, or tan for $12.99. We also had the Kirkton House ceramic bowl for $14.99. And we have the Kirkton House three-piece king or queen duvet cover set. It comes in white waffle, floral, or gray, $24.99. We have the Kirkton House 5 foot by 7 foot area rug. You can get it in Berber or plush, $24.99. We have the Kirkton House king cotton blanket. It comes in charcoal or taupe, $19.99. And we also have the Kirkton House full slash queen cotton blanket, and that does come in blue charcoal or taupe. I'm having a hard time talking. $19.99. We have the Kirkton House queen or king super soft sheet set. Comes in blue, gray, or oatmeal. $14.99. And we have the Kirkton House quilted queen or king mattress pad, $24.99. And we have the Kirkton House temperature regulating queen or king down alternative comforter, $29.99. We have the Kirkton House foam core support bed pillow for $7.99. We have the Kirkton House giant knot pillow. You can get it in charcoal, chocolate brown, denim blue, or oatmeal for $19.99. We also have the Kirkton House two-pack light blocking window curtains. They are a rod pocket. They're 37 by 84 and they come in four beautiful different designs, $14.99. We have the Work Zone 2 foot by 6 foot all-purpose runner. We have four different ones to choose from, $14.99. And we have the Kirkton House rustic hand carved wood candle. We have dark vanilla and sandalwood or orchid and driftwood, $19.99. We have the Kirkton House 3-wick candle. We have three different scents to choose from, and how cute are these? Hats off to the Irish, In My Lucky Air, or High on Some Luck, $4.99. We have the Kirkton House 50 by 60 plush throw. We have six different designs to choose from, $4.99. I love getting these blankets for my dog friends. I buy them and put them in his little doggy bed. We have the Kirkton House decor pillows. We have several different designs to choose from, and they all are adorable, $9.99. We have the Kirkton House decorative wreath. You can get green and gold floral, dogwood, or shamrock, $19.99. And we have the Kirkton House St. Patrick's Day gel clings, many different ones to choose from, $1.99 each. Next up, we have the Kirkton House St. Patrick's Day gnome. We have five different ones to choose from, and they're only $8.99 each. We have the Kirkton House 10-pack St. Patrick's Day ornaments. You can get the multi one or there's just the shamrocks, $4.99. And we have the Kirkton House St. Patrick's Day garland. You can get top hats, horseshoes, rainbows, or shamrocks, $5.99. And the last item in this section is the Kirkton House St. Patrick's Day tray objects. We have four different ones to choose from, only $5.99. Now we're moving right along into the home improvement section. First up, we have the Ambiano cordless iconic stick vacuum, $79.99. We had the Ambiano handheld power scrubber, $14.99. If anyone has this, I know it's been out in years past. If anyone has it, let me know if they really work and if they are powerful. We have the Easy Home Power Drill Brush Set. You can choose from blue or pink, $5.99. And we have the Easy Home silicone scrub gloves. You can get them in blue, green, or pink, $6.99. We have the Easy Home spin mop set. You can get it in gray or sage, $24.99. We have the Easy Home spinner sweeper, gray or sage, $12.99. We also have the Easy Storage 52.8 or 79.3 quart gasket box, $9.99. We have the Kirkton House 10-pack no stretch hangers. They come in black or white for $3.99. And we have the Kirkton House stackable bottle rack that comes in black or white, $9.99. And the last item in this section is the Kirkton House universal basket with handles. It comes in black, green, or white for $7.99. Now we're heading into the kitchen supplies section. First up, we have the Crofton 2-pack kitchen towels. You can get Be Irish, Bose, Luck, or Lucky Charm, $3.99. And I love how they coordinate all this. You have the blankets in these towels and stuff like that, and I love how they coordinate the designs. We have the Crofton towel set. You can get the bar mop or flour sack for $9.99. Now we're heading into the outdoor living and garden section. We just have one item here, and it is the 8-inch foliage. It comes in assorted varieties, and it's only $8.99. Now we're heading into the sports and outdoor activities section, and we just have one item here as well, and it is the Best Way Deluxe Airbed with Pump, $44.99. Now we're heading into the beverage section. First up, we have the Alani Nu Cherry Bombshell for $2.45 each. We have the Gatorade Mashups 12-ounce 18-pack, $10.78. We have Prime Zero. It's an 8-pack, and they have berry ice and cherry ice for $7.99. And the last item in this section is the Prime Hydration Drink 8-pack, and they have cherry freeze and future freeze, or you can get the orange swirl and ice pop, $7.99. Now we're heading into the dairy and deli section. First up, we have the zero sugar added strawberry flavored protein shots. They are a 6-pack for $5.25. The other item we have in this section is the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen Spicy Chicken Supreme Deli Pizza. Wow, that was a mouthful. $6.99. Now we're heading into the fresh meat and seafood section. First up, we have the Morton's of Omaha Petite Beef Tender. You can get garlic or peppercorn, $6.99 per pound. We have the ground beef and pork blended roll for $3.79. And the last item in this section is the Vermont Fish Market chilled crab cakes for $5.99. Now we're heading into the frozen food section. First up, we had the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen flatbread pizza. You can get Mediterranean or Tuscan chicken for $4.79. We had the Mama Cosie's Pizza Kitchen garlic knots, $2.59. And we had the Bremer onion pierogies, yum, $9.99. We have the Bremer Philly cheesesteak or ham and cheese, $7.99. And we have the Vermont Fish Market shrimp. You can get dynamite or honey walnut, $5.99. We have the Vermont Fish Market pollock portions. You can get original or dill pickle. Oh my gosh, friends, dill pickle. I wonder how long these would be good if I could get them now and freeze them until we do National Pickle Month in July. I need to go and look at the dates on that. $4.99. We also have the Vermont Fish Market's Swahi fillets, $7.99. We have the John Souls Food Steak Fajitas, $11.99. And we have the Purdue Sea Creature Shaped Chicken Nuggets, $7.29. We have the Red Lobster Cheddar Bay Biscuit. You can get cod or shrimp. Ooh, $6.99. And the last item in this section is the Season's Choice Tots. You can get cheesy jalapeno or loaded potatoes for $4.29. Now we're heading into our very last section, which is the pantry section. First up, we have the Vermont Fish Market jarred herring in wine sauce for $6.99. We have the Go-Go Squeeze fruit and veggies pear and berry, $8.49. We have the Progresso protein soup. You can get chickpea and noodle, Mediterranean style lentil, or Southwest style black bean, $2.18. We also have the Progresso regular soup. You can get beef pot roast with country vegetables, chicken noodle, or tomato basil, $2.48. And we have the Simply Nature organic soup. We have chicken noodle or tomato basil, $2.29. And the last item for today is the Priano bronze cut pasta. You can get orzo or stars for $1.99. Disclaimer: this content is not affiliated with or sponsored by Aldi. This video is a recreation of the Aldi Finds ad for informational and entertainment purposes only. Prices, products, and availability may vary by store and region. While I strive for accuracy, errors or changes may occur. Prices and details may vary by location. Information is based on the current Aldi Finds ad. Please refer to the official Aldi Finds ad or your local store for confirmation. So, friends, thanks so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't already, please go ahead, hit that little subscribe button, as it does greatly help me out. And also, please check me out over on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok, as I am active on all those social media sites as well. So, friends, thanks so much, and I'll catch up with you next week with more great Aldi finds. Bye.